What's up, traders? My name's John, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up NinjaTrader, kind of like how I have it. Now these are two different window tabs. They're just side by side, and whenever you save, it'll automatically open where you have them. So anyway, the first thing you're going to do is when you pop up, you're going to have these connections aren't going to be there. I'm going to take them away just so you're looking at the same thing that I'm looking at. And so you'll see whatever, I don't remember exactly what you'll see, but you'll click on new right here, and then you're going to click on chart. We're going to select NQ as our instrument, and start off by loading about 80 days, 75 days worth of data. Make sure it has candlestick. I like my bars to be set at 5, and then the markers, I like them to be at 3 because they get kind of big and cluttered. Don't really care too much to have too much going on. So click OK, and then here you are, you have your chart. Now you notice mine has a black space and this has a bunch of lines. So you can right click right here and go to properties and find the grids and lines. So let's see, horizontal lines, we're going to change those to black, hit apply, and now they're gone. The next thing you might want to do is change the, see how I'm scrolling over to the right and it's like so much space here. The margin is 50 on mine. You can set it to 150, whatever works best for you. And then now we have more room on the chart, so we're utilizing all that space. The next thing I like to do is my bars are spaced too much. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Alt and then up or down, and it kind of makes the bars a little bigger. I like them about right there. Now you're all set. You have your chart set up pretty much like I do, and as you can see, those little arrows here, these are entries and exits and the small triangles. If I was to make those larger, sorry, I can't do it there. If I was to make those larger, which comes standard at 5, I believe, they kind of get in the way. See how it's cluttered right there? Can't really see the wicks, and you know, it's just too much in my opinion. So you can turn them off by hitting do not plot or markers only. So typically text and markers is set up, which as you can see, it's way too much going on. Can't see the chart. So I just do markers only, and I like them to be at 3 just so I can see them and they're out of the way. Now your chart's set up similar to mine here, and I like the way it looks right there. Grab this little line, from the white line here down to the gray, and just go left and right. You left click, go left to right, and you can adjust the up and down side by clicking inside this price area and going up and down. Alright, so you'll see I have my buy set at green and my sell set at red. You can click in here and go to properties, and you can change those colors. So these are your lines for like your profit target, stop loss. You can leave those alone or change them. Action button, so the buy button is gradient brush right now. You can click on red, or sorry, this is buy, so we'll choose green, and then the sell button, choose red, and then hit apply. Everything you do, hit apply and then OK. So now you have it red and green, and you can just leave these how they are. Mine are just black. You can change those to black as well by going to properties again, and the flush here, the brush, sorry, action button. I just choose black, hit apply, and you're all set. Now if you don't have this section on your chart, whenever you first come on, you're gonna go to this little weird candle looking thing, go to chart trader, and it might be off. Yeah, it's off. And then you'll hit chart trader, and then basically you are in business. So if you're thinking the market's going to go up, you're going to hit the buy button. If you think it's going to go down, you're going to hit the sell button. Pretty simple process here. So that's it for this video, and move on to the next.